ওকে
হিন্দিও বোঝে নাকি?
হিন্দিও বোঝে,
জলদিলে বোঝে?
হিন্দি বলে, ইংলিশ বলে, আর মালদ্বীপে একটা মিশালি ভাষা আছে সেটা বলে, তিনটাই বলে।
মেবি আসলে একটু
Yes, I was present there with the CID. See, they have started the investigation for that as a homicide, okay, or suicide, or whatever it is. They are trying to find out the real truth behind this. So in this thing, first of all, we have to know that nobody has seen her hanging. Nobody has seen her suspended from that court.
No, what they did.
Okay, wait. This is what I'm going to tell you. So, what they want to see is whether the body was really hanging from the fan, because they say she died by hanging, suicidal hanging. And if that case, first of all, we have not seen even one photo of hanging. This is a medical college hospital, and this is a medical college hostel, and there are students who has finished internship. They know how to deal with a case of hanging. They have removed her body, they say, before the police has come. This is a very big question mark. Why they removed her body before the police has come here? Okay, and even about removing the girl from that court, there is also two versions. In one version, they say they cut from the fan end of that ligation material and kept her on the bed and then untied the knot. Second version, that they have cut from here and it was hanging. And in your case, when you have seen the videos, first crime scene videos, you can see that ligation material, that scarf was hanging from the fan. So first question is whether she can hang from this fan. If she has, this is a 50 kilo weight girl, she is very heavy girl, okay, with that weight, if she hang from that fan, is it possible, whether without showing any mark or damage to the fan, whether it can be done? So there is a scientific way to study that, if she really hang from this fan, is it possible whether she really got hang from this fan? So that is what they are searching. And they also search this whether that door can be opened without breaking. There is no sign of any damage to the door. They also noted there was any single sign of damage to the door from outside or inside the locks. These are the main points that they noted. That's all.
So in front of you, they say they saw the door.
We asked them, even you open the door from outside. We locked the door from outside. We said, open the door from outside. We are all inside. Open the door from outside. Nobody could do it.
CID officer failed to open the door.
The college people, they have opened the door, they said. So we did not open the door. We were inside the room. They said they opened the door.
Now they try.
The people who has claimed they opened the door, they should open the door, right? So they have to open the door. We are inside. We did not say we opened the door. They said they opened the door.
So actually CID today tried to open the door.
We asked them to open the door. They said they opened the door. So they have to show how they opened the door, right?
They showed it. Did they show it?
They could not.
They could not show. They showed it.
They could not. They could not open.
They tried.
They tried.
They tried, but failed.
Yes.
Failed to open.
Yes.
In front of you.
Yes.
Okay.
And in front of CID.
Yes.
So after that, what does they say, CID?
That I don't know. This is their investigation. But I see from my eyes, they try to move it from banging like this. It is not coming. This lock is not coming. I suppose there is a threat to my daughter's life before. She was given tablets mixed with the juice. This normal circumstances nobody would do who someone considers a friend. You are my friend. Tomorrow is my examination. Why, if you are my friend, you will put tablets into my juice? This is a very big question mark. I am not saying somebody killed my daughter. I am not saying, don't quote that. I am not saying Sirato or any other person killed my daughter. I am saying why someone would do. This is a big question mark. So because of that, this was informed to my kid's mother also, and she would take extra precaution to lock the door when sleeping. Why she would not take, carelessly half the way that bolt should be pushed? Why she should do it? When she is already insecure, she would do all the precautions to lock the door properly. And they are saying it is half the way. How can we see it is half the way when they are outside? They are saying door was locked inside. They are saying maybe the door is halfway pushed. That bolt is pushed halfway. How can they say? Maybe because of that is why they are banging it open. But then we kept it on the halfway position, that board halfway position we kept, and we tried to bang it. It did not move down. That's it.
And you are telling this from today's experience.
Not today's experience, even in the first day.
We are asking here. We took your version earlier. So you told the same thing.
Same thing.
And we just want to know what happened today.
Today same thing happened. It did not move. That ball did not move. We were banging
Yes.
whether it can be moved down by pushing from outside. It did not move down.
Yes.
So hostel authorities or hostel guards who banged?
Some of the
Did they talk? Sorry. Carry on.
some of the students and there are some lady security persons who are there. They are saying some around 20 people came and banged the door.
Did they talk to the any of the students today?
Yes. We
can
even
you-
talked to some Maldivian students also
At the hostel.
at the hostel. Yes.
Who are they? Can you name them?
I don't know the names.
Okay. Maldivian
Maldivian
students,
students are there.
female students.
Yes, female students were there. They asked whether have you all seen the body when it was hanging. They said they did not see it because they were at the time in the class. When they got the news, they came to the hostel, and when they came, only one girl, others were all weeping because of this inside incidents. And one girl has gone up to the door, and the door was locked from outside that time, and that window was open, so she just peeped from the window. And she saw that Raudha was kept across the bed. She was kept across the bed.
Maldivian students.
Yeah, Maldivian student said she was kept across the bed. Yes.
Did they talk to Siddharth?
No, she was not here today. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, stop.